Hello, friends. Today I am bringing you the idea of side tables with some king size or royal beds and side tables with drawers. They are not only important to give a complete look to your bedroom, they are also important for storage purposes and for keeping something like a book to read and to put some flowers beside your bed or to put a beautiful lampshade on the side of your bed. And so and their design and looks matter a lot in the beauty of your bedroom. So they should be matching with the design of your bed and their looks, the color of paint, and the size is your choice, but they are important in making your bedroom beautiful. And placing a bed without side tables may make your room look incomplete. And this video has a number of side tables, and they all are different in shapes and designs and colors and their interiors, and they all can be adjusted, designed, and arranged according to your choice of art. And this video has a good variety, and it is for you, so you can easily choose the side table which you want for your room, and you can have an idea, and you can save these pens, and you can order them as you want. And there can be some tables can be small in size with lesser number of drawers, but if you want to keep a high storage material beside your bed, so you can keep tables with 3 or 4 drawers, and there you can keep your valuables beside your bed. And they also play a part in making